How often do you try to find super cute workout gear that also fits really well and let's dare say deliver it directly to your door? So I found this company called Ellie.com. So it is an active and sportswear company for women, and they pick out workout outfits for you and ship it directly to your door. So I wanted to show you what came in my box because I was so excited for how it partnered so well with the love month of February. And to be able to wear such a cute workout gear, I mean, I am kind of hesitant sometimes of buying things online because you never know how it's gonna fit. So if you're just joining me on my channel, my name is Laura Sherrill and I'm a women's health and wellness strategist helping you cycle sync your life so you look and feel amazing. And part of feeling amazing is making sure that you look good. And to be able to work out, a girl needs to be able to look good as well while she's doing it. I feel like that just motivates us to work out harder, right? So what came in the box this month was this cute little bra top, so it's black, and it has this really cute like racer back, if you can kind of see it in the video. But it's just one of those things that has like the crisscross lines, so when you wear it, it just looks really cute from behind. So if you ever go to like a bar class, I mean, I always admire when women have these cute racer back tops on. And then to go with that is this super cute light pink tank. And so it also has crisscrossing in the back. And so like I just love that detailing where it cuts down low and then you're still able to have like the black top like peep show through. And then this is something that you could totally wear either loose or you could kind of tie up on the side to be able to give it a little bit of sass and flirt to it. But it just was so cute and it's so soft. I feel like you need to be able to wear comfortable clothing, right? Like they have to feel soft. And then the last piece that came in the box this month was these really cute leggings. And so they're long, they go directly down to your ankle. But it has a really cute like pink detailing on it and it really matches the black bra well. These pants are in navy, so if you can kind of see in the frame. But what I wanted to show you is when you put them on, I did try them on and they were so comfortable and fit perfectly, which I can't say always happens. So this was like such a treat to be able to order. And that has like this detailing down the side of the legging, so it kind of like crosses down your leg. So it really gives this like really nice, sexy piece to it that you might not always think about with your workout gear. But it was just such an amazing company to come across and to be able to know that I can get really cute clothes delivered to my door and then feel much more motivated and empowered to be able to go out and crush my workout. And if you have to like take a cute picture with it, then like that's just a part of making you feel good and essentially balancing your hormones. It all ties together. But thank you so much for joining me to see what was inside my Ellie box, and you should definitely check them out if you haven't already. So it's Ellie.com, ELLIE.com, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye.